The Nike Air Max Goadome is making a strong return to the spotlight, thanks largely to renewed cultural attention and its deep roots in sneaker history. This latest release pays tribute to the DMV region, widely recognized for helping popularize the iconic Nike boot during the early 2000s. The connection was famously cemented in Wale's 2007 song Nike Boots, which turned the silhouette into a regional staple and a symbol of local style and pride. This upcoming colorway makes that connection clear. The boot features rich cherry red leather paired with bold collegiate-style lettering spelling DMV along the spine. Inside, the insoles showcase a cherry blossom graphic, a thoughtful nod to previous DMV-themed Nike releases linked to Wale. Every detail reinforces the cultural influence behind the design. The Nike Air Max Goadome Cherry Blossom is expected to release in spring 2026 with a retail price of $230. This drop blends heritage, music, and regional identity into one standout release.